Are you looking for the best orbital polisher? I have compiled a list of top 5 best orbital polisher S this year. These orbital polisher S are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the orbital polisher's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. PorterCable Variable Speed Polisher. This random orbital polisher is user-friendly and perfect for the beginner. Included is a 6-inch pad, which makes it ideal for working quickly. The motor is 4.5 amps and is capable of moving at 2,500 to 6,800 orbits per minute (OPM). What makes this polisher stand out is that the handle is removable so that you can position it on the right or left side, letting you customize the polisher to your comfort. One drawback of this polisher is that it doesn't indicate the OPM when adjusting the speed, leaving you guessing the exact level. You may also find it hard to cold start it at first. It can take some practice to get comfortable with it. The included foam pad also loses some love when it comes to durability and ease of switching. Number 2. Black & Decker Random Orbit Waxer / Polisher. The 6-inch orbital polisher operates at 4,400 orbits per minute. The 10-foot cord makes it easier to work with and maneuver. The two-handle design makes it easier to control. The handles are cushioned and comfortable to hold for the entire polishing job. The polisher only weighs 5.3 pounds, making it lightweight to reduce arm fatigue. Included with your polisher are one foam applicator pad and 2 polishing bonnets. You can use this polisher to apply wax, buff, and polish your vehicle's paint. Unfortunately, the included foam bonnet isn't the most durable, which can result in it tearing during use. Most car enthusiasts buy pads anyway. This polisher doesn't have a variable speed option either, which can make the application of compounds limiting. Number 3. STPA Buffer Polisher. This kit has everything that you need to use this polisher in a wide variety of applications. It comes with a 780-watt motor and 2 pad plates that measure 5 and 6 inches, and the orbit size is 8 millimeters. It has 6 variable speeds that range from 2,000 to 5,500 RPM. There's a large D-shaped handle on the top and a removable side handlebar. What makes this polisher stand out are the included accessories. You'll get a carry bag, tools, sanding paper, wool pads, and foam pads. Your kit also comes with a wool washing mitt, microfiber cloth, and cleaning brush. Unfortunately, this polisher isn't the most durable, making it ideal for the weekender but not the best option to use daily. The pad plates are also small in comparison to other polishers available. Number 4. Dewalt Polisher. You can depend on this polisher for the long haul with its heavy-duty, durable construction. It's powered by a 12-amp motor that generates 600 to 3,500 RPM. The pad plate can fit 7 or 9-inch diameter pads. You can move the handle into 3 positions, making it comfortable to use and easy to control your polisher. What makes this polisher stand out is the wool ingestion shield, which prevents your wool pads from getting caught up in the polisher while it's spinning. You'll appreciate how lightweight the polisher is at 6.7 pounds. One drawback of this polisher is that the speed control can malfunction, leaving your polisher stuck at one speed. There's also poor button placement, and you can accidentally hit them while polishing. This polisher is a great option for a more seasoned detailer but not the best choice for beginners. Number 5. Chemical Guys Random Polisher Kit. Make your car's paint shine with this complete care and polishing kit. It comes with a heavy-duty and powerful polisher along with a strong motor that's 120 volts and 700 watts that can run at 2,800 to 7,800 RPM. Beginners will find this polisher easy to use with its streamlined controls. You can use this polisher to remove the defects, swirls, and scratches from your car's paint. One drawback of this polisher is that it can have a strong vibration at lower speeds. You may also find that the power switches are in awkward places or hard to reach. The pad on this polisher is also smaller than other polishers on this list. However, this is also an advantage for precise work and defect removal.